Welcome to our channel. Today we how to sign in to your Notion account. Easy guide step by step clearly. First, make sure your phone or computer is connected to the internet. Open your preferred web browser like Chrome, Safari, Edge, or Firefox. In the address bar, type Notion, and press enter. When the Notion website loads, look for the login button at the top right. Click Login to open the sign-in page. Choose how you want to sign in, such as email, Google, Apple, or SAML if your workplace uses it. If you want to use email, click Continue with email. Click inside the email field and type the email address you used for Notion. Double-check that the email is spelled correctly, then click Continue. Check your email inbox for a Notion login code or sign-in link. If you do not see it, wait a few seconds and also check the spam or junk folder. Open the email from Notion and copy the one-time code, or click the sign-in link. Go back to the Notion login page and paste the code if needed. If prompted to create a password or enter one, follow the on-screen instructions carefully. If you want to sign in with Google, click Continue with Google. Select the correct Google account from the list, or choose Use another account to add one. Review the permission screen if it appears, then click Allow to proceed. If you want to sign in with Apple, click Continue with Apple. Enter your Apple ID and complete any verification steps like Face ID, Touch ID, or a code. If your organization uses SAML, click Continue with SAML. Type your company email and follow your organization's login page instructions. After signing in, Notion may ask which workspace you want to open. Click the workspace name you want to use to enter it. If you are using the Notion desktop app, open the app from your Start menu or Applications folder. On the app sign-in screen, choose the same login method you used to create your account. If you have trouble signing in, click Forgot Password or try sending the email code again. Make sure you are using the same email or provider that your Notion account was created with. Once you are signed in, you should see your Notion sidebar with your pages and settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.